lesson. The KHDC Executive Committee on Tuesday has decided to hold the Monolith Festival at the site of Khasi Heritage Village in Mawphlang in December this year. Informing this, KHDC CEM Panyait Singh's aim informed that the decision of the council to again hold this festival was to showcase the rich traditional culture and heritage of the Khasi tribes. According to him, the upcoming Monolith Festival is going to be different since they will be holding the event along with the tourism department. The KHDC CEM said that tourists from outside the state and even from abroad would want to be part of this festival to have an insight about the Khasi culture and tradition.
Monolith Festival là shim yak arai ban penlong au new penai December. Te ka nongrim bangi penlong yakani ka long bangi kwa ban showcase me ban peni sya perthai ya ka jing ruspa jang quality to store ka jungi ka culture ka jungi. But yakani ka Monolith Festival kan compare nan takasin na maria kani ngin sa yatre lam ka state government ba ka tourism department. They can come here, let's say, can buon ki items, ki buon ki bangin habban yatre lang state government, come tam bang ladon you can Khasi Heritage Village champe, nadu kapor I deputy CM atau kapor ki lasdang, but ni shisha ba ki buon ba ki ba kwa ban tip ban ngam jeleu ban sutu kham hai ka jat berdujungi